What is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we got my CRF150 behind me, and we're about to put some turbo whistles on the 150. So we're about to have a turboed dirt bike. It's gonna be crazy. It's probably gonna sound insane because this thing's a mini 450. Yeah, we got the turbo whistle, the little adapter. So before we put this thing in the exhaust, let me just go show you a little walk around of my 150. She's pretty much all stock. She rips. Besides my kickstand mod, literally the best mod I've done on this bike because I hate using stands, so kickstands are the way to go. But alrighty, gang, here we have it, and it's literally just popping in, bro. Boom. And now we got a turboed freaking dirt bike. I mean, bro, look at that. It definitely looks a little funky, bro, because it looks like it's like a nipple almost hanging out the exhaust, but it should work good. I'm gonna start it up real quick without it, then we're gonna insert the turbo whistle and see what she sounds like, and then go rip it. Yo, gang, so I don't know if you can tell, but the 150 is loud, bro. This is stock exhaust. I can barely talk to you guys because it's so fucking loud. Let's give her a little rev. Yeah, let's give her a little rev. She's gonna turn off on me. All right, let's restart. All right, this is what it sounds like. Revving up, stock exhaust. All right, gang, this is the moment of truth. We're about to install the turbo whistle on the 150. Hopefully, she don't blow up. Oh boy, listen to it, bro. I don't think I like that, bro. Let's see if we can start it with it on. I feel like it's just gonna shoot out. That turbo whistle just shot out of this like a goddamn cannon. But gang, I'm gonna put my helmet on real quick. We're gonna take the bike for a rip, you know, just have some fun. I'm gonna try to put the turbo whistle in while it's cruising. We'll see what happens. All right, gang, we got the helmet on. Let's shred the 150. See what she sounds like cruising with the turbo whistle. Ooh, the 150, bro. I always forget how torquey this bad boy is, bro. Every time I hop on, I'm like, holy crap. For just this being a 150, it feels so damn powerful. Bro, look at that alligator. Bro! That bad boy is huge. Hold on, let's see if I can get closer. Bro, y'all see that? Bro! That was a big alligator right there, bro. And as you can hear, this bad boy is loud, bro. We're just cruising and it's like waking up the whole neighborhood. All right, gang, we made it to the test track. Let's shred this for a second, then we'll put in the turbo whistle. Dang, I forgot how fun this thing is. Let's go! This bike literally just goes wherever you want it to. It's so fun. We got the turbo whistle. Maybe I can hold it in and we can ride with it. Oh, let's see. Hot, holy crap, the exhaust is so damn hot. Ah! Bro, alright. It sounds crazy, but I can't keep it in there, bro. Woo, let's go. Little one-hander. Tuning. So So yeah, the turbo whistle ain't really gonna be working on this bike. It just has too much back pressure, bro. Maybe my next bike I get, I'll try it again, but yeah, this thing just got way too much back pressure. Let's see if we're gonna hit a little circle for y'all. So touchy, bro. Screw it, I might hit a little off-road. My off-road track real quick. Still got a lot of tread on these tires, so we ain't slipping around, if you feel me. Oh, a little bit. Woo! Let's go, bro. I feel like I'm on a goddamn Supercross track, bro. Sign me up. Supercross live. Sign your boy MotoBroo up. It's got so much torque, bro. Like, look, I don't even know how to hit the clutch, and it just pops up. I ain't hitting the clutch at all, bro. I'm just gassing it up. Man, I can tell you one thing. Having like all these different bikes, it's so like new to me, because I've only owned 2 bikes my whole life until this year, pretty much. And then I got all these bikes. And it's so weird hopping from each different one, because each bike has its own little like riding style, so you sort of have to like get back used to it, like how to ride this type of bike. So I mean, it's fun, but it's definitely, I was like, bro, I used to be so dialed on this thing, now I haven't ridden it for like a couple weeks, and now I feel a little rusty. Shift lock. Woo! You already know my favorite thing is to tune, bro. 2-stroke, 4-stroke. I love just tuning it, dude. Little knee knock. Need no back brake, bro. Oh boy, that was a shred right there. Let's head back to the cribbo. Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Trying to put the turbo whistles on my 150. As you've seen, it didn't really work perfectly, but your boy tried, so that's all what counts. We're posting bangers soon after your boys stop being constipated. We're coming back strong as hell. So I got a dope video planned for Wednesday, so stay tuned. I love you guys. Peace!